Hello everyone. Okay, I've come on now to tell you about your challenge, your first challenge for today, which is going to be a writing challenge. And what I'd like you to do today for your writing challenge is I'd like you to start to write a diary. So a diary is something that we write in to say what we have been doing that day and maybe how we might feel about something as well. And this is something that you could start today. And then you might want to carry it on maybe for a couple of days, maybe for a week, maybe for 2 weeks. It's up to you how long you want to write in your diary for. But I'd definitely like you to have a go at starting it today. So what I'm going to be asking you to do is write at least one sentence every day about something that you've really enjoyed doing. So it might be something from that day that you have enjoyed the most, and then you can maybe draw a picture to go with it as well. Okay, so I have got an example that I want to share with you. So I have got my whiteboard here and I've started to write my sentence, which is what you're going to do. And my sentence is going to be, I played in my garden. And what I want you to really work on when you're doing your sentences is thinking about using your finger spaces between your words. So just to remind you, when we write our sentence, we always start over on this side of the page and we're going to go across. Okay, so we go from left to right. Okay, and between our words when we write, we use something that is called a finger space, and that just means that we put a space in between each word, and we say it's called a finger space because we want to use about the size of our finger between our words. Okay, so I'm going to finish off writing the rest of my sentence and I'm going to show you how we can use our finger spaces. So far I've written our tricky word I, so I'm talking about myself. I played in, and now I'm going to come and write here because you can see I've come to the end of my board. So I'm going to carry on writing here. So I'm going to write, I played in my, so there's my word my. And remember, if you're not sure about a word, you can have a go at sounding it out just like we do in class. So there's my word my, and now I want to write the word garden, but I finished one word and I want to start the next. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my finger, I'm going to put it down next to my word my, and then when I start writing my next word, I write it on the other side of my finger. Okay, I'm not going to put it right next to my word my, because if I put it right next to it, then it looks like it's all one word, but we're starting a new word. We're going to write our last word of the sentence, garden. Okay, so we put our finger on our page and then we write on the other side of where that finger is. So just where I'm doing my dot now, that's where I'm going to start my new word. Okay, so I would write garden. And now if I'm not sure how to spell that word, I can have a go at sounding it out. So I listen for the sounds. G, g, g. So it starts with a g sound. G. R, and I think about my R sound. Garden, d, 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 dun, d, garden, and there we go, and I can finish with my full stop there. So what I've done is I have written my sentence and I have put my finger spaces in between all of my words. So that's what I'd like you to really concentrate on when you're doing your sentences in your diary over the next week or so. I want you to really think about, can you use those finger spaces in between your words? And I can't wait to see all the brilliant things that you get up to, and maybe you can put a picture with your sentence as well. That would be lovely. Okay, bye for now.